Hello, everybody, and welcome back. And today, what we're going to do, we're going to create a class, a new file, and we're going to create a totally new file. And what we're going to do is we're going to write to it, and then we are going to open the file. So first of all, we start off by making class here, class, and I'm going to call it class new file. Class new file there. Okay, and now I'm going to create the new file. So define create new file. I'm going to pass it a few arguments here. Self, file name, self file name, and insert text. Let's have a look. Insert text. Okay, because we're going to when we create it, we're going to write a line of text into it. So let's have a look here. Okay, so we're going to go with open. And we're going to use the first argument here, which is file name. Okay, and now we're going to pass it X here, which means it's going to create the file. So it'll create a new file, and I'm going to call it as file object. Okay, and then going to say file object dot write. Okay, so this is going to write to the file. I'm going to type in insert text. Okay, so it will insert the text that we tell it to, and I'm just going to click on here and type print a message when we've done this. So print a message, let's say file has been created and written to. So the file's been created and written to, so we'll just close that off there. And now we're going to create another little function, and this function will actually, once we created the file and written to it, this function will open it and display it. So I'm going to call it define open new file. So that name there is very clear. It's telling you what this function is going to do, and refer to it as self because it's within the class. Okay, open, we're going to open it. Let's have a look. I think I'm going to call it something like xxx.text. xxx.text. Whoops, not text like that, txt. Because it's going to be a text file. Okay, just close that off there as file object. File object, and then let's have a look. Oh dear, there's file object, and the next line, the contents of it are equal to file object. Contents are equal to the file object and dot read, because we're going to be reading it. Okay, and then we're going to come down here and we're going to print the contents to the screen. Okay, we're nearly finished there. We've just got to initialize the object. We've got to make it work. So it's called new file. So I'm going to call this new file. New file is equal to new file here. Okay, new file is equal to new file, and new file So look, dot create new file, and then we're going to tell it the name of the file that we want, xxx .txt. That's going to be the name of the file, and we're going to put some text inside there, the text to insert, which is going to go in here. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. Text, this is a new file, and this is new text. I'm going to do that, and then we're going to come down and I'm going to go new file dot open. We're going to open this new file now. Open new file. Okay. Right, so what this should do now, when I run this code, when I save it and run this code, it should create a new file, and then it should open that new file and read it. So I'm just going to save it there, and I'm just going to click run on here. And there we go, file has been created and written to. This is a new file, this is new text. So there you go. And if we go and look in the directory, let's have a look, see if I can find it in the directory here. Documents, going to be in Python. Let's have a look at it down here. Yeah, that's the file there, that's the new file that we created. And there you go. So Bob's your uncle. Anyway, I hope you liked that. Hope it was useful. And if you like it, please consider subscribing to the channel. It will help me out a lot. And give me a like. And I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.